So dear friends, I'm Dr. SRC and this is a very important video regarding the All India CISC test series for classes 7 to 12. Here we are going to focus on the board type or school type subjective examination. Also we are going to have some objective examination based on the pre-NEET and pre-JE, but the main focus is going to be on the subjective examination. And let me now go into the details. So we have divided the entire thing into three particular classes, or you can say three particular batches. One is will be the junior phase, that is the classes 6 to 8. So that is the junior phase, and then the secondary phase, that is 9 and 10, and then the senior secondary phase, that is 11 and 12. So there are three different batches here. Actually the batch will depend upon the classes. Class 7 will be one batch, class 8 will be one batch, and there can be multiple batches depending upon your availability and our availability. So class 7 can have batch number 1, batch number 2, batch number 3, and etc. etc. But the entire course is basically segregated into three phases. Now, for example, for classes 7 and 8, you can find out in the CISC class 7 and physics, you are going to get the syllabus beforehand. And there are 7 modules, and the modules are being said, that is physical quantities, force, motion, and etc. etc. And for chemistry, there are 7 modules again, like matter, physical and chemical changes, etc. Biology, there are 5 modules like tissues, kingdom, classification, etc. And mathematics, there are 6 modules. So before we begin, you will be handed with entire syllabus structure. The syllabus, this is the module number 1. There will be detailed syllabus in your booklet, CISC booklet. You are going to get that CISC booklet. This is just a presentation matter. Then, for example, class 8, if you go for class 8 in physics, there will be 8 modules, and modules, or rather, the entire modules are being specified. 9 modules that is being specified, and etc. etc. So before you start, whatever be your class, and you will be given a booklet based on your class. So class 7 will get a booklet, and that will cover the PCMB, everything, every syllabus, every module, every syllabus in details. Now, what is the test structure? There will be first test, that is UT1, that is unit test number 1, and it will have module 1 plus 2. Say suppose this is for a particular class 7 and class 8. This is the structure with respect to, say suppose that is the structure with respect to class 7, and that is unit test 1. It will be module 1 plus 2. Module 1 plus 2. UT2 will be having module 1 plus 2 plus 3. So that is going to be a cumulative approach test series. Every particular test will have the previous modules also, and the new modules that is being added. In the midterm, say module 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4, this is the end term where we suppose that there is 80% syllabus completion. You are studying elsewhere, you are studying to some other coaching centers, you are studying with a particular school, and they are covering the syllabus, and we are also taking the test based on our modules. So we suppose that where you are studying in a coaching center school, in the ET1, your maximum 80% syllabus will get completed. Now there is a ET2, that is the final full syllabus. So there are 5 particular tests, subjective test. UT1, UT2, midterm, end term 1, end term 2, and all the syllabus will be pre-given to you in that booklet, in that CISC booklet. Say suppose class 7, you will be given a class 7 booklet where you are having the detailed syllabus, you are having the detailed particular timetable with respect to the examination. Now this is for class 6, 7, say suppose 9, 10, the same thing will again repeat. For example, you have come for class 9 test series, then class 9 will be given a class 9 booklet. It will have the class 9 entire syllabus PCMB and your particular schedule, timetable, that UT1 will have this module, UT2 will have this module, and etc. Only one thing we are going to discuss, that is the dates, because we have seen that students coming, if we specify a particular date, they will say that we have a different tuition there, we are not available at that particular time, can you just change it to this and that. So we are not going to do that. We are first going to fix a batch, class 9 batch number 1 it may be, there can be a separate batch number 2 it may be, like a coaching, like you do in the coaching batch number 1, it will have a specified time for these 5 exams based on the availability of the students for batch number 1. So that is separate thing will run. And batch number 2, the papers will be different, the structure will be same, but timing will be different. Okay, now that is the, so it's tailor made. Suppose 2 or 3 people also come for a particular exam, so we make a batch number 4. Suppose for those 2, 3, 5, 8 students, we discuss the dates by the calendar, we fix the dates, and then we run the particular template. So 5 exams there. Actually, what we do is that we take 5 subjective tests. So 5 subjective tests and 5 objective tests also. Now this objective test will be foundation type, that will be pre-JEE, pre-NEET type examination. So 5 subjective tests, UT1 of syllabus, say suppose syllabus A with respect to physics, same syllabus and objective pattern. So in a particular day when you are coming, you are going to give a subjective paper as well as an objective paper. So 2 papers for a particular UT1, 2 papers for UT2, and like that for all the examinations. So how many exams are there? 5 subjective and 5 objective, 10 exams total. So that is the entire structure. I hope that you are getting clear. That is the entire structure. This is for class 9. I showed class 10. You will be given all the detailed syllabus, and will have a subjective exam, it will have an objective exam, like that. So this is the entire structure. 11, 12, same. I'm just skipping that. It will be same, and everything will be given to you in that particular booklet. For example, subjective and the UT, the midterm, that will have a marks 50, duration will be given. Paper to paper, that will vary a little as per the CISE particular pattern. And in terms will have the full syllabus type examination, and before that, that will be a part syllabus type examination. In term will have a full syllabus type examination, and as per the rules, that will be like that. And objective, that will be 40 marks objective every time, and 60 minutes will be the particular duration. It will have a very good collection of questions based on the NEET or JEE papers. So for class 7, class 8, maybe you are studying foundation elsewhere, you can come and give these tests so that you will know that how your studies are going. So this is class 11, 12, that is 70 marks, 180 minutes, 5 section. As per the particular CISE format, it will be like that. Now then again I repeat, first there will be UT1. It will be UT1. It will have 2 exams. One is the subjective pattern, subjective exam, that is based on the school pattern or board pattern, CISE pattern, and the objective pattern, that will be based on one time it will be NEET type, JEE type. It's a combined paper. We are basically going to focus on the JEE main, JEE advanced, because what we know is that if you are comfortable for JEE advanced, you can definitely crack NEET. So our paper will focus mainly on the JEE advanced particular area, because you are prepared for JEE advanced. Obviously NEET will be very easy to you, and if you are going for JEE, then that's wonderful for you, because you will be every time tested with the JEE advanced type paper in the objective section. So UT1 2 exams, then UT2 2 exam, 1 subjective 1 objective, MT 2 exam, 1 subjective 1 objective, and ET1 2 exams, and ET2 2 exams. So every class 7 to 12 there will be 5 interactions and 10 exams. And after the exam, after 10 days of the exam, you will get all the copies nicely corrected. All the particular inference will be given in the copy, and a result analysis, graphical result analysis will be shown to you, so that you will know that how you are doing, how my friend in batch number 2 is doing, batch number 3 is doing. So it will be a large number of students. Out of that, what is your basic score? And different particular schools will be attending this test series. So what is your school? How are you doing good? Are you lagging somewhere? Are you lagging in whatever subject it might be? So detailed result analysis will be given to you. After 10 days of the exam, you will be given the result analysis. We will call for a result announcement date. RAD we call that. We call the parents, we call the students, and then we discuss the results before everyone. So that is the pattern. As I told you, type 1 will be CISE pattern, type 2 will be JEE advanced pattern. And the price, or the particular price for particular batch, for example classes 7 to 10, it will be only 2000 rupees per subject per year. So you are giving much greater than 2000 for a single month. So here the test series is asking 2000 rupees only per year per subject. For physics, you are giving 2000. If you are going for physics and chemistry, you are giving 4000. You can choose one subject, you can choose 4 subjects. Whatever be your decision, that is up to you. I would suggest that go for PCMB, but it's up to you. Suppose you are giving good exams elsewhere, only you are having a chemistry problem or physics problem, you can take that only. But 2000 rupees per subject per year. And for classes 11, 12, it's only 500 extra, 2500 rupees per subject per year. So that is about the entire particular video, and we are working with different schools and as well as different coaching centers also. We are working with them based on this particular structure only. So you can definitely contact us. For contacting, you can WhatsApp at this number 9830287574. You can say that I am interested, I am in class 8 Cisce, I am interested for physics, I am interested for chemistry, or I am interested for entire test series PCMB. Then we will actually add you in your WhatsApp group and discuss the dates with you. So this much for particular this video. I am Dr. Cisce signing off from this video and wish you all the best and see you in the batch. Thanks, take care and bye for now.